If you are getting a tax calculation error in Wave accounting, yeah, that can mess up your invoices and financial reports really fast. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, if your network is weak, tax calculations may fail to load properly. Next, refresh the page a few times. Sometimes tax errors happen due to temporary loading issues. Now, check your tax settings inside your account. Yeah, incorrect tax rates or missing configuration can cause calculation errors. Next, review your invoice items carefully. I mean, wrong pricing, missing quantities, or invalid entries can break tax calculations. Now, log out of your account and log back in. Yeah, this forces the system to reload tax rules properly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted data can cause incorrect tax calculations or display errors. Now, open Wave accounting in incognito mode. I mean, this helps rule out extension or cached data problems. Next, disable all browser extensions temporarily. Yeah, ad blockers or script blockers can interfere with tax scripts. Now, make sure your browser is updated. Outdated browsers can break financial calculation functions. Next, verify your currency and region settings. I mean, mismatched settings can cause incorrect tax calculations. Now, try another device or browser. Yeah, this helps confirm if the issue is device-specific or account-related. If nothing works, contact support. I mean, there may be a system-side issue affecting tax calculations, and that's it. One of these fixes should solve tax calculation errors in Wave accounting and restore correct invoice totals.